Tell me what you have to go and drop.
It's raining. Kids don't always do things the normal way.
No, you can't stop over the bump.
My daughter sometimes is one of those kids.
You're scared of going over that bump, but you're riding in the rain?
She decided now was the time that she wanted to go ride her bike.
It's pouring.
I'm a professional.
It's cold. It's not even like a warm rain. Yeah, I don't understand.
It's over. It's all over. She went down, ladies and gentlemen.
Can somebody please explain to me how to parent? Because
Did you just fall over on your bicycle?
Yes, but I'm okay.
it makes no sense.
I like how big of a trooper you are. Give the phone a high five.
Oh,
Hey, I love you.
I love you too.
Go.